Welcome to ICI's comprehensive video on unboxing the ICI TDL 220, your advanced handheld laser methane detector built for precision and safety in gas leak detection. Inside the box, you'll find the TDL 220 handheld methane detector, a rugged, compact, and built for tough environments device. A methane-filled lens cover used for quick calibration and testing, and a charger to keep your device powered up and ready to go. Of course, you'll also find a wrist strap to protect against accidental drops, as well as quality control documentation and a user manual. Charging the TDL 220 is simple. Just attach the magnetic connector to the port. It snaps into place effortlessly with magnets. Then plug the charger into the standard wall outlet. A full charge ensures your device is ready for extended field use. Now let's go over how to use the TDL 220 for methane detection in the field. The TDL 220 works by emitting a laser specifically tuned to methane, allowing it to detect gas leaks with precision. Here's how to use it. Turn on the device and aim it at the area you want to inspect. Sweep in a stable S pattern to ensure the laser completely scans the space and reflects off a surface, like a wall. If the device detects methane, an alarm will sound and the concentration will appear on the LCD screen. To pinpoint the leak, pass over the area multiple times. If the alarm sounds with each sweep, you found a gas leak. For deeper investigations, drilling or digging may be required to locate the exact source. The TDL 220 is designed for use in distribution pipelines, petrochemical refineries, chemical plants, and natural gas stations. Plus, its explosion-proof housing ensures safety even in the harshest of environments. For even greater detection capabilities, pair the TDL 220 with ICI's Gas Detect IR VOC thermal camera to visualize methane and over 20 other gases. The TDL 220 assists organizations in meeting EPA and state emission guidelines, ensuring your operations are safe, that you avoid fines, and reduce product loss caused by fugitive emissions. For more information, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and visit us at www.infraredcameras.com.